you want attention? Over there digging up the ground. Wait, you got a tick on you. What's going on, guys? It's Ethan and you're watching Lyons Garage, and I have today my little sidekick today, Blue, and what we're getting ready to do, me and Blue are getting ready to go up to the shop, and we're getting ready to make another video for you guys because y'all evidently really fucking love my shit. That's like no joke, because I literally posted a video, 16-year-old Rex's first gen, which my first gen is right there. But basically, I made that video, and dude, in 3 freaking days, we have almost half of 1,000 views on that video. Like, what the fuck, bro? I would have never thought that I would have almost half 1,000 views, or even almost 1,000 views. So, you know, it really shows you hard work does pay off, guys. So anything that you guys want to do, you guys can do. Like, literally just put your mind to it. But today, what we are getting ready to do with the old firstie, with the old first gen, a lot of first geners are going to really hate me because it is debadged, but it is not a Cummins. You know what? Let's have a little fun on this channel for once. And comment down below if you think that a gas truck is a first gen, and if you think that a gas truck should not be considered a first gen. So let's have that argument down below. Okay, so basically what we're doing is we're getting ready to change out the carburetor, because I can't move this thing until I actually change out the carburetor. But guys, what we got to do is we actually got to change my fully rebuilt carburetor, because I actually just rebuilt this carburetor right here. Like a couple days ago, I rebuilt this carburetor, and what has been going on with it is that, like, dude, like, it won't start. It sits there acting like, you know, I'm freaking, I don't even know. But the screws, they're turned the right way. Everything's turned the right way, but yet it does not want to fire upright. So therefore, I'm going to have to put the other Holley on it, which, I mean, is my dad's carburetor. And, you know, I really don't want to take his carburetor from him, because that's my carburetor. He just has this Holley just sitting around, so I mean, why not? You know, why not take the carburetor that's sitting around rather than... But I did pay 50 bucks. 50 bucks for a freaking rebuild kit for this thing, and it still won't. It still won't. Like, it's junk. It's literal freaking junk, dude. Like, freaking pay 50 bucks expecting for it to actually work, but it won't work. But this video, I want to try to make it a little bit more fun. So we're actually going to be using a whole nother GoPro as well. Not sure if I've told y'all this, but yes, I'm a big GoPro fan. I film on a GoPro, and then not only I have a different GoPro. So therefore, we're going to be using both GoPros today for these videos, because evidently y'all like them, and I can get freaking a lot of views out of them. So without further ado, let's freaking get this thing off of here first off. Alright, so first thing I'm going to need is actually probably going to need this. Yeah, what a wonderful day to change a dang carburetor that is already freaking rebuilt and should work. But no, it don't want to work. Wants to be stupid and wants to sit over here and freaking spit and sputter and act like a little girl about it. But I do need to take the other carburetor. Hold on. Let me show y'all the carburetor, actually. This other carburetor. So here's the other carburetor right here. This is the carburetor right here. It's actually pretty cool. It's chrome. It's pretty nice. You gotta have that nice chrome carburetor. But you see here, I want to clean it before I put it on, but I just really ain't got time for that.
A few moments later.
Why? Why are you eating the freaking ground? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I ain't taking you to the vet if you get sick. Yeah, you better run off. Got the blue painter's tape. Now I gotta all the way back up there. Oh yeah, gas line. That's what you wanted. Hold up. We're just gonna try to sit it. Maybe we didn't even need that. Maybe we just wasted our time. Yeah, I think that we just wasted our time. Okay, so we can actually, just toss that back because we don't need it. Okay. Oh shoot, there's a dang bee over here. Where's my hat whenever I need it? This is my truck, bee. This ain't yours. The fuck away from me, little bitch. Let me at least get this thing loose before you sting me. Holy! Whew. I think he's gone. I think he's gone. Are you serious right now? Are you serious? Luckily, I know where that's at. That is right beside the distributor. This is dumb. Alright, let's try this. Oh my god. I really fucked up. Come to Poppy. Come to Poppy. Oh yeah! Freaking manly man right here. Heck freaking yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yes! I got it off! Heck yeah, boys! That's what I'm talking about. Alright! Now, we swap her. We put this right here. And then we grab this big boy. Oh yeah, I'm 110% definitely hooking this choke back up. Okay guys, so we just got done with the truck right there. What I'm getting ready to do is I'm actually getting ready to text my dad and ask him, say, hey look, is this carburetor okay to try to start it with? I mean, you know, but I'm gonna use voice to text. Hey, is it okay if I try to start this truck? I just switched out the carburetor. And I was wondering if it is okay to try to start now. Question mark.
2 hours later.
Well guys, I just got back from the store and Dad just texted me saying that I can finally start Inferno. So therefore, what we're going to do is we are actually going to start Inferno. I'm actually going to set my monster down somewhere. Oh, that tastes great. But let's go out here and let's hop in this freaking thing. She's melting, I'm not gonna bother her. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh, it died. It died. What the heck? We just had it started. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, it started. There we go. That's the way it's supposed to act. That's it. That's the sound of an American V8. Oh yeah, baby. Inferno, the mother-ing ram. That's it. Always, kids, make sure that you do not put those together because that's how you get hurt. It literally has been forever since I've started this thing on the channel. Oh, is it gonna die? No, it won't die. But now I gotta put Mom's car back together because it's freaking new. And now you gotta close this hood. Well guys, there we go. We actually got Inferno started, which is like a really good thing. Why does she always leave the freaking e-brake on? But really good that we actually got Inferno started today because I needed to like move that truck so bad. So bad. That's like my new catchphrase too, is like so bad. But yeah guys, we got the truck started and you know, it's honestly really nice that like I was able to like do that, no money into it really. Luckily I didn't have to go buy new gaskets and stuff because therefore I wouldn't have done it. But I mean, it's pretty cool that we actually got this truck, you know, done. Like, we actually got it started. Like, we actually got it started today, and it's actually pretty cool. But guys, I'm going to end this video right here in Mom's 2014 Jeep Patriot because we all know that Chrysler is amazing. So, well, actually FCA is amazing. They're the best car brand on the universe, in the universe. They're the best car brand in the universe, so therefore we're just going to end it here. But guys, if you guys haven't already, make sure that you guys hit that thumbs up button. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button to join the Lyons family. I will see you guys in the next video.